Hey, you're watching Junokeebs, and today we're looking at another awesome linear switch. This time it's from Chinese manufacturer Jerzzi with the Lotus V2s. Jerzzi are another high quality switch maker operating in the budget space alongside brands such as TTC and Altemu. This takes the popular Lotus and redesigns it with a few new tweaks. Both of the boards in today's sound tests are using the Inver keys stabilizers. I got these from Serpent Keys in the UK, I'll leave a link to them in the description below. The Lotus V2's dustproof stems are made out of a unique LY plastic blend. This makes them really smooth and is part of the reason there's no factory lubrication. The LY plastic blend also contributes hugely to the clacky and high pitched bottom out. You'll be able to hear that in the sound tests a bit later on in the video. They have a 22mm single stage spring. They have a palm bottom housing, which is pretty common these days, but it is a personal favourite switch material of mine, and they also have an LED diffuser for south-facing LED support. They also have a palm top housing, an actuation force of 45 grams, and a total travel of 3.4mm. There's very little stem wobble on these switches. This footage, I'm actually having to try quite hard to get them to move the small amount they are moving. The switch as a whole feels really well built and the stem is super smooth thanks to the LY plastic. I definitely don't feel like there's any need to lube or film these switches. They provide a really great feel straight out of the box, and for the price point as well, that's really impressive. Time for some sound tests. Let me know what you guys think of those sound tests. I'm particularly fond of the way these switches sound in the back of Echo 65. They're really clacky, they have a really high pitched bottom out, they're just so satisfying to type on. These switches are available for £2.75 for 10 from the Stock Exchange. I'll put another link in the description below for those, so feel free to check them out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I look forward to making some more content for you guys in the future. Please do like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.